If your hard drive is full and you are unable to use any computer application and your machine is running slow, then this tutorial is for you. I'm going to show you how to clean up your hard drive to make the optimum use of your device. First, quickly locate your Windows and type File Explorer and pick the one with this best match and click it. From there, proceed to this PC and locate Windows C and left click it. From there, proceed to Windows and scroll down till you locate software distribution, which is here. Highlight all this and delete it. The software distribution is just an update which the device doesn't need it anymore. After that, you can close this icon here and go back to the Windows search and type in storage settings. Pick the one with this best match. Allow the machine a moment to finish everything here. So then you can see the total size of your hard drive, which is 475, out of which we have used 114 gig and we have an available space of 361. So to proceed, you can see the various apps and the usage that it has overall on this machine. So the apps and features, we have 37.5 gig. The desktop, we have 9.84 gig. And the others, you can continue to show more categories. When you scroll down, you could see the various individual files and the sizes is consuming on this device. So what we're gonna do, assuming we want to clean up a certain apps, by all means don't touch system and reserve. These are system files that help the Windows to run properly. So you can start with apps and features and click it. So in the apps and features, you can scroll down and locate the various apps that you don't want. A quick tip is to sort by size. So when you click on size here, the apps will automatically be sorted by the sizes that it consumes on your device. So you can locate the appreciable size. If you are not interested in those apps, you can just click it and proceed to uninstall. After that, you can locate all the various apps individually and see whether you still have use for it. If you don't, you can click it and uninstall. After this, you can proceed back and then locate desktop. You can view desktop here. So you can locate the various apps and files that you don't need and you can delete it. You can do it to all the other files here. A quick one, if this storage sense is turned off, make sure it's toggled on. The benefit is it automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. And to configure these settings, you can go to configure storage sense or run it now and proceed to configure how often you want it to be run, whether every day, every week, every month. And you can also locate the temporary files and how often files in your recycle bin should be deleted. When you are done, you can proceed to clean now and allow everything to clean up. So after that, you can go back and scroll down and also look at the temporary files and all the other files that you don't need. You can just proceed to delete it. This will give you control over which files you need on your device so that you don't end up deleting important files in your PC. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.